Right now, you're probably losing customers. Not because your product is bad, but because you're not replying fast enough. What if an AI could reply instantly, handle objections, and actually close the deal for you?
In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to turn ChatGPT into a smart sales agent. Not just a chat bot, but something that thinks, qualifies leads, and drives customers to buy.
Most chatbots fail for one reason. They don't understand sales. They answer questions, but don't ask questions. Give information, but don't guide decisions. Here's what we're building today. An AI that behaves like a top salesperson. Before we touch AI, you need to understand this. Customers don't buy because of features. They buy because they feel understood. First, identify the customer's pain point. Then build trust by understanding their needs. Position your solution as the answer risk and guide them to action. If your AI doesn't follow this, it will fail. Your role as a sales agent is to ask questions to understand customer needs, recommend the most suitable solution, and handle objections with confidence. Always guide the conversation toward a clear action. Ask one question at a time. Do not overwhelm the customer. Focus on benefits, not features. Build trust before selling. Always end with a soft call to action.
This is the difference between a chatbot and a sales agent.
Now we give your AI real knowledge. On this whiteboard, we outline the essentials. For example, our product helps small businesses automate follow-ups and increase sales conversions. Without this, your AI is just guessing.
Notice what happened here. No pressure, acknowledgement, question keeps conversation alive. I need to think. Of course, it's just curious, is there anything holding you back that I can help clarify? This is how you prevent drop-offs. Now let's connect this to your business. This is where your AI becomes a real employee.
Hi, I'm interested.
Great.
Can I ask what you're looking to improve right now? More sales.
Got it. Are you struggling more with getting leads or converting them?
Converting.
That's ex follow-ups of this few features sellings. Hi, I'm interested.
Great. Can I ask what you're looking to improve right now?
More sales.
Got it. Are you struggling where this helps? It automates follow-ups and increases conversions. Here's where most money is made. Follow-ups. Hey, just checking. Would you like help getting started today? Your AI doesn't forget. Ever. You can turn this into a business. Build AI bots for companies. Charge a setup fee of $500 to $5,000 plus. Add a monthly retainer. Businesses don't want AI. They want more sales. If you're still replying manually, you're already behind. As AI doesn't sleep, doesn't miss leads, and doesn't forget to follow its FI into a full AI agency and get your first client. If you want to learn more about AI automation, AI agents, and AI business ideas, subscribe to the channel.